Health benefits of coffee. Boosts energy levels. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that helps increase alertness and reduce fatigue. Improves physical performance. Caffeine increases adrenaline levels in the body, enhancing physical performance during workouts or intense activities. Rich in antioxidants. Coffee is one of the largest sources of antioxidants, which help protect your body from free radical damage. May lower risk of certain diseases. Regular coffee consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, stroke. Supports heart health in moderation. Moderate consumption, 2 to 4 cups per day, may help reduce the risk of heart failure and other cardiovascular conditions. Improves mood and mental health. Coffee can act as a mild antidepressant by increasing the levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain.